First got the call and came out and they says, we got a disaster out here.
John Schmotz remembers the call he received the day after the storm, when hurricane-force winds swept through Linda Vista Golf Course last July. Superintendent Schmotz said as a longtime resident, this storm was a first of its kind.
Another big, huge round one. Missoula hasn't really seen any storm, to my knowledge, that like this. You're driving out, you see a couple trees here or there, but you don't really realize what the devastation it was.
Dozens of trees that once shaded the course were now toppled over.
A lot of trees this size that they had to actually take out as well.
With only a few hands on deck, employees worked tirelessly to clear the grounds, moving logs as tall as 30 feet. With the city focused on restoring power and clearing the streets, small businesses like Linda Vista were on their own, purchasing resources out of pocket to manage.
As a small business here, it took toll on us.
Leaving the business closed for under a week meant no revenue. Linda Vista employees tried to burn most of the debris, but some trees weren't ready. And with fire burning restrictions in place, the restoration process will take a few more years.
There's still a lot of cleanup to do. We'll still be cleaning up for the next year.
With the help of dedicated staff, the greens, fairways, and tee boxes are set for golfers to continue their game, even though cleanup efforts are still underway.
We've done and continue to do a lot of cleanup, and we just want to continue to make this an enjoyable, fun place and good conditions for everybody to come out and play golf.